Hi kids! When you look up in the sky, there are so many birds. Look over there! Over there! There are so many birds around us. What are their signs? Do you want to know? Come on, I have the signs and I will show you. Pigeon, crow, sparrow, flamingo, parrot, peacock, woodpecker, eagle, ostrich, vulture, hen, rooster, owl, duck, swan, cuckoo, dove, bat, kingfisher, seagull, hummingbird, weaver, macaw, crane. See? I'm sure you love all these birds. Now that you've learned the signs, come on, you also sign.